UIPM Anthem, the spirits that is uplifting life.
UIPM, a global name, managed with care, in unity slain. Under the UN, we proudly stand, shaping scholars with wisdom at hand. Independent learning, the future we mold, creating knowledge brighter than gold. Virtuous hearts, building the earth. UIPM ignites a global rebirth. UIPM, by God's design, enlightening nations, hearts align. Fighting corruption, justice we raise, saving mankind through challenging days. With 17 goals, we march as one. The 10 principles guide what's to be done. UIPM, the beacon we see for a world in peace and harmony. Through global campuses, dreams take flight, bound by vision, spreading the light. Knowledge and morals, a perfect blend. For future generations, our call we send. Justice we champion, truth we defend. Humanity protected, disasters amend. We are the torchbearers in the darkest night. UIPM, our banner shines bright. UIPM, by God's design, enlightening nations, hearts align. Fighting corruption, justice we raise, saving mankind through challenging days. With 17 goals, we march as one. The 10 principles guide what's to be done. UIPM, the beacon we see for a world in peace and harmony. United we stand with a noble aim, building a future, our cause of flame. UIPM, your legacy grows, a brighter tomorrow, the path we chose. UIPM, by God's design, enlightening nations, hearts align. Fighting corruption, justice we raise, saving mankind through challenging days. With 17 goals, we march as one. The 10 principles guide what's to be done. UIPM, our hope, our pride, leading the world with wisdom as guide. UIPM, our noble star, uniting the world no matter how far. UIPM, we'll always sing for the future and the peace you bring.